Okay, this is the member that's kind of split. I don't know what happened here, but it's quite a split. And I'm going to sister it with these pieces of 3/4 inch plywood on both sides, and probably put some construction glue and screw in there also. We'll see how it turns out. First thing I'm going to do is put some construction mastic or glue in that crack, bring it together with this clamp, and put a screw in there. I'm gonna drill a pilot hole for the screw. Okay, this is prepped. All I gotta do is drive this in. I can't see. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay, I drilled a couple of pilot holes right there at the bottom. I'm getting ready to place this in, then I'll put some more screws. Drilling the pilot holes here. Okay, we got pilot holes. Okay, this side is done. Basically, I'll do the same thing to the other side. And we'll be all set. Oh, the second side is done. 6 screws on the top, 6 screws on the bottom. Take the clamp off. That should be good. This is the part that was split. I put a screw on there. Mastic stuck coming out. Pebble stuck on the 2x4. It's amazing that these things are held together by these little plates. Well, it looks like there's no visible damage on the others, on the other members, but it's too far to see down there.